This has been making this sound all day, like wind on a windless day. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna open the window. Listen how loud. It's been doing this for like 5 weeks now, and it seems like the sound is getting louder. Listen. The trees are not moving. And there's like no way that that is the traffic, because it is 10:48 Saturday night, and sometimes this wind wakes me up at 5 o'clock on Sunday morning when I know nobody is out. Okay, I'll just let it go for a little bit. It's been very consistent, like the wind, and it's not even windy, but it sounds like wind. Well, I hope the camera picks this up.